Hello, welcome to review on bed threads, these lovely sheets that I'm laying in right now. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I wish it was because I love the threads on this bed. This flax linen sheet gives smiles to my feet. Olive stripes paired with that creamy oatmeal, ooh baby, I could just eat. Yum. Price is a bit steep, but it doesn't feel cheap. Buttery soft, pre-washed, and designed to last. At least that's what Bedthreads says, and I can honestly say that my expectations were surpassed. These threads were a great buy. I mean, I wouldn't lie. I'm not getting paid. I cross my heart and hope to die. Now, if you do buy them, be careful. As you slide into the sheets, warmth and peace will fill your bones, making you complete. Get Bedthreads now. Hey! If you like that little intro, make sure you give it a little like and a little subscribe and comment. If you love Dr. Seuss, if you're a parent and you read some Dr. Seuss, you'll be rhyming all day. You know what I'm saying? Alright. A little bit more information on these bed threads. Once again, it's not sponsored, so this is like an honest review. These are flax linen sheets. They are more pricey than normal sheets, but they're supposed to be durable. They're supposed to last as long as you take care of them. You're supposed to cold wash them and let them dry out in the sun. That's not a huge deal. You just gotta plan. If it's raining, then you can't dry them. So don't wash your sheets while it's raining. These sheets, I was super nervous because I had never felt them before. So I just took a leap of faith. And the colors as well. I wasn't sure how they're gonna turn out. Now, we got the oatmeal and then we got the pinstripe green olive to match the rest of our room. And I think they look really great. The oatmeal and actually the green stripe look pretty similar to the pictures online. I know it can be really deceiving, pictures online, but they try to get it as close as possible. And I think they exceeded expectations on that part. Now the flax linen sheets have become softer as we have used them, as we've washed them, and they're actually super comfortable. I did not like them the first moment that I touched them. I was like, oh gosh, we just screwed ourselves. We spent too much money, and the return policy, I'm not even sure what it is. But we washed them, slept in them for like 3 nights, and by the 3rd night, I think, they were already softer. Maybe I just got used to them. I'm not sure, but they're super comfortable. Like, I love them, and I definitely would not return them or go with something else as of now. So yeah, I think they turned out great. We did get the duvet cover. And then we got the sheets, the pillowcases. And then we have this big blanket here, but this is from Tuft & Needle. It's their like rustish color. And my wife loves this blanket. I like it too. I wasn't too sure about the color, but again, I think it looks nice and my wife loves it. So that's always a plus. Our bed is also Tuft & Needle and we love it. It's a king size. We do have their like mattress pad on top of it because the king size or their old mattress that we've had for like since we've been married, which has been like 5 or 6 years. Christy, if you're watching this, I know when our anniversary is. But we've had it for a while. The sheets fit great on the king. It's comfortable. I would recommend Tuft & Needle for their products. I'd recommend Bed Threads for their products. Let's see, what else is there? I don't think there's anything else. If you haven't watched our master bedroom makeover video, which I just posted recently, you should go check that out because it's a super fun build. I do this room in 3 days, less than 3 days basically, and it's just fun, and I think it turned out really great. If you can see behind me, it's really moody in here, and my wife loves it. So once again, that's a win in my book. But I think that's it for this video. I really appreciate y'all watching out there. Make sure you drop a subscribe/follow. They should do a follow button. I like that. But make sure you hit the subscribe, hit that like. It'll help me rank up in the views. So shout out to y'all, and I will see y'all out there. I don't know how those sheets are gonna be.
I love it.
You like the sheets?
Yes.
Does it feel comfortable?
Yeah. I love it. I'm never leaving. It's so pretty. Ah.